Up everybody, the Master Trader himself here, super excited. As you can see, I'm with one powerful strategy here that I just want to quickly show you on how it works and how you can profit from this strategy. I believe a lot of you can even just see it self-explanatory, and the only thing that you need is to know exactly how to put these indicators and make money. Guys, this strategy can make you print money. So you just basically enter from there and you ride with it all the way up there. Look, for this strategy, it's both spike hunting and also against the spikes, which simply means you can trade against the spike and you can trade with the spikes. The only thing that you need to get to understand about this strategy is the trend. The moment you catch the trend, you're home and dry. You can run with the trend from down here if it's a buy all the way up to there. If it's a sell, you can run from up there all the way to down there. So basically that's a thing. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can go about it, how you can set this strategy, and how you can profit from this strategy. So to start with, for starters, you come here. If at all you don't know where your indicators are, so these are the indicators that we are using. There are three indicators. We're having the envelopes, and we are having the relative strength index, and we are having the moving average. So these are basically the three indicators that you need for this particular strategy in order for you to be profitable with this strategy. So I'm going to click on edit so that I can delete them and walk with you step by step on how you go about it. So delete that one and delete that one. So I'm going to come on this plus sign there on the main window, and the first is indicator is the envelopes. I want you to get these properties that are showing on your screen, the same properties exactly. Please guys, don't use your own colors, use the colors that I'm using. Use exactly the colors that I'm using. Don't use your own colors. I repeat again, don't use your own colors, because you get to be confused with how the strategy works. So for this particular strategy, just use exactly the same thing. So the period will be 14, shift to 0, deviation will be 0.100, method will be simple applied to close, and the upper band ensure that it's blue and the lower band ensure that it's red yellow. And you're going to click on done, and you're going to have something like this showing on your chart. If you have not yet joined our Telegram group, I don't know what you're waiting for. I give free signals. I don't charge for signals. I make money in the financial market while charging you for signals. So I give free of charge. Just join and you'll be a partaker of the free signals that I give. Premium free signals, the same signals that I'm entering are the same signals that you're going to enter. So just feel free, the link is in the description. And for those that want mentorship, I don't charge for mentorship actually. Yeah, I only take serious people. So for you to show me that you're serious, you have to do my course. My course is a giveaway course. It's only $1. I'm only trying to assess if at all you're serious about Forex. So it's $1. The first link in the description. If you click there, you get the course at just $1. It has 20 lessons. You will learn everything that you need to learn about Forex. Yeah, you will learn everything that you need to learn about Forex. Then the last lesson will show you, there will be a link that you will join the group where my mentorship is ended from there, free of charge. I don't charge anything, so just feel free and do the needful. So you click on there for a second indicator, which is the relative strength index, and it will have the following properties: the period of 1 applied to close, and the levels will be the 10, which is a buy, and the 90, which is a sell, and the 50 there, which is a take profit or the re-entry position. And you click there and you click like that, and you have something like that showing down here. You go for the last indicator, which you're going to put on your indicator window 1. You click there, which in this case will be the moving average with these properties. The period will be 10, shift to 0, exponential method, and apply to close. And you're going to click on there. So basically that's the thing, and from here I believe it's self-explanatory, guys, right? Yeah, it's self-explanatory. So basically what you are looking out for is checking out where, when you are in a buy zone, you should ensure that when you are in a buy zone, you're having something down here like that, looking like that. You come on your main chart, and on your main chart you have something looking like that. But I want to explain certain things to you guys. If you have noticed, if you have noticed, whenever there is a 10 like that on the main chart, you have seen that this blue and red line, they are more like a little bit separated. Yes, a little bit separated. So that is an indication to say that, all right, you can enter if at all is in a buy zone there. There is a little bit of separation, and you enter from there and you ride with the market all the way. If at all you reach a 50%, you can actually take your profits, or you can hold your trades. So if you can see here, when it was somewhere there on a 50%, here you see there was a separation. So it would have indicated to say that, okay, here you can actually leave the market because there can be a 10, because you can see that there is a separation. But the moment you see this blue and red line, they are close to each other, it's a sure sign that you can still be right in the trade until you see this a little bit of separation and you see it to be in a sell. You anticipate for a selling, you actually enter from there and you begin to ride with it. If you can see, when it reached the 50, there was a gap, that's where you exit from. But trust me, I hold those trades because I understand to say here the moment there is a 10 here and I entered on the right position and I go with a trend, and I'm moving with a trend, it will go until it reaches that sale. If you can see there, it will not come back until it reaches there. You see, right? Until it reaches there. So no matter what happens, as long as I caught the trade from there, I'll run with it until it reaches down there. So like how we say, guys, ensure that you back test the strategy, use your demo account, but it's a working strategy and it can yield you a lot of money. So that's the thing. So with this strategy, you can't make less than 100 USD per day unless otherwise. I don't know what really is a problem. But if you just follow exactly the same thing that I've showed you, you put the same indicators, these same indicators, 3 indicators, trust me, you're home and dry. Love you so much and see you in the next video.